Hi, welcome to this video of SRV. So I've recently got this message and you may have seen, quite a few people would have sent. It just says, if you would have invested $1,000 10 years ago, what that would be worth in today's date in, let's say, July 2021. So for example, if you have invested $1,000 10 years ago in Google, that would have been worth 6,000 today. And if you would have invested in Facebook, that could have been like $9,000 by now. And if it was Amazon, then it's $22,000. And if it was Netflix, it's $34,000. Or if it was a Tesla, then $159,000. And if it was a Bitcoin, then $237 million by now. I'm sure you may have seen quite a few messages, but see, the message here is like, how much this cryptocurrency has grown. Recently, if you see, there is hardly any financial institutions or the banks or any government of any country or software companies who would have not done a research on, cryptocurrency, blockchain, or this kind of things. So many times people ask me, these questions, what is this cryptocurrency and how do we invest? And it's quite, natural questions for many people who does not have any idea of like how to buy this or how to really, do a trading in cryptocurrency. So let's first, before we move further, let's first understand the briefing about what is this cryptocurrency, what is blockchain, what is this miner, and what does mining means and everything. So let's watch a short video and understand a little bit more.
What are cryptocurrencies? Satoshi invented Bitcoin in 2008 as a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. To realize digital cash, you need a payment network with accounts, balances, and transactions. That's easy to understand. One major problem every payment network has to solve is to prevent double spending. That is, to prevent one entity from spending the same amount twice. Usually, this is done by a central server who keeps records of all the balances. In a decentralized network, you don't have this server, so you need every single entity of the network to do this job. Every peer in the network needs to have a full list with all the transactions to check if future transactions are valid, or an attempt to double spend. But how can these entities keep a consensus about these records? If the peers on the network disagree about one single minor balance, everything breaks. They need absolute consensus. Nobody knew how to achieve this until Satoshi proved it was possible. Cryptocurrencies are a key part of the solution. To illustrate this, we'll look at the transactions on the network. A transaction is a file that says, Bob gives X Bitcoin to Alice and is signed digitally by Bob. Once signed, the transaction is broadcasted to the network, sent from one peer to every other peer. This is standard P2P technology. Nothing special happening here. After a specific amount of time, the transaction gets confirmed. Only miners can confirm transactions. This is their job in a cryptocurrency network. They take transactions, stamp them as legitimate, and spread them in the network. After a transaction is confirmed by a miner, every node has to add it to its database. It has to become part of the blockchain. For this job, the miners are rewarded with cryptocurrency, for example, bitcoins. Anybody can be a miner. They just need to use some of their computer's power to qualify for the task. Every miner competes to solve a cryptographic puzzle. After finding a solution, a miner can confirm the transaction and add it to the blockchain. As an incentive to do this, they then receive a payment from the network in the form of a cryptocurrency. In this way, a network of independent actors are economically incentivized to maintain the legitimacy of the transaction history. So that's the gist of it. Cryptocurrencies are the key to the complex digital cash problem that Satoshi solved: how to maintain integrity and consensus across independent and potentially malicious actors. Cryptocurrencies are essentially the monetary incentive offered to anyone willing to keep the network secure.
Yeah, so see, now you've got some idea, like, so what this, the cryptocurrency is. There are many things that can be now done with cryptocurrency. So effectively, it's like, your own, or like it's a currency which is controlled by the public. So there is no bank or government institution that can influence that, that can directly, like, let's say, increase any inflation, like how you've seen, like nowadays, many countries have printed the money and then that has devalues the purchasing power of the money in many countries. But that cannot happen in, the cryptocurrency, because cryptocurrencies are generally limited in supply. So they have fixed number of coins normally, and of course, as the demand goes up, the value of the coins goes up. As the demand goes down, the value of the coins goes down as well. So this is like all demand and supply. But the thing is, now there are many companies or there are many platforms which allows you to use this as a like a secondary platform, like how you use a bank. So you can deposit your cryptocurrencies, you can also borrow the fund against your cryptocurrency, you can like earn interest on the cryptocurrencies. So there are few things that one can do. So I thought maybe let me share, because I heard a lot of my friends or like other people always ask me. So I thought maybe rather I'll make a video and then share that video. So that will save my time in future. So if somebody will ask me again, I can simply say here is the link of my video. You can just watch this, and I'll also leave all my referral links as well here. So there are many things. So for example, so BlockFi is one of them which allows you to deposit your cryptocurrency and earn, there is a different range from 3 or 6% to even up to 12% or even more, maybe some of those currencies they allow. But then it's a substantial good amount of interest that you can earn on your deposits, which banks does not give anyways. Third, and also another thing is you can also borrow money. So BlockFi also allows you to borrow up to 50% of your cryptocurrency values, and at a lower rate of as low as I think 4.5% sort of. That's what they see. So what I would suggest, you find all those links in the video description, and just simply register. Even if you don't do much, at least just earn all those referral bonus. Like for example, BlockFi allows you like up to $250 worth of bonus. Likewise, of course, Coinbase gives you a lot of bonuses. I'll leave all those links. So Coinbase, if you watch the videos and then simply answer those quiz after learning about cryptocurrency, you get free cryptocurrencies. Likewise, there are this crypto.com. You can use the crypto card that you can like it's like a debit card. You can use that card anywhere for your normal shopping, and then you can earn a cashback against it. So I'll also leave that crypto.com. You get like $25 of bonus. Likewise, so you'll get different types of bonus in everything. All the referral links are underneath. And I'll also put like the Binance, which is quite good platform, like how you can, so likewise in crypto.com also you can do the trading, or Coinbase you can do the trading. Likewise trading on Coinbase also you can do the trading. Likewise, the Binance is one of them where there's a fees are very low, when you do trading. And also many of those platform will allow you to set a stop loss, or even like you can set your orders in advance. So buy limit, sell limit. So for example, if you want to really purchase at certain level, you can just leave your order to fill. As soon as the the cryptocurrency value goes down, it will fill your order, and then you're basically good to go. And likewise, when you want to sell it, you can put the order on a sell limit, and then it will sell once it's reached that stage. And cryptocurrency fluctuates a lot, so every time it goes down, let's say so in a cryptocurrency market, like 10% is very much usual things in a day. Many things. Even if sometime it goes even more than 10. So depends. So those are the days where you can really make a good money. So imagine like if you can just put your order to fill and sell, so it will automatically just keep doing it. Like, so buy it when it goes low. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, and you continue to do it as long. So there are a few things, of course, you need to learn, and of course, if you're in trading, you will know. So anyway, so I'll leave the Binance link as well. Likewise, there's a Revolut, which is also quite good. Some people ask me like, what account do you use when you travel abroad? And so this is quite good. Rather than carrying like different currencies, you can just simply carry this Revolut card, and you can load the card, deposit the money, and then use the money in whichever currency you're using, and just use it as you go along, wherever. And there is a very nominal rate, so they don't charge anything apart from the exchange rate, and exchange rates are very much competitive if you see. Likewise, you can also reuse Revolut for trading cryptocurrency. Buying, selling cryptocurrency. Also, you can do stock trading. So you can buy a lot of US stocks there. And also, I'll leave some links for the stocks as well, stocks and shares. So for example, IG is one of them which we use. You can really get a good rate and spread bet. And those who are investing in UK, they know that the spread betting is tax exempt. So you can simply use the opportunity, and simply make a good use of the opportunity, and then just use that. And also I'll leave the link for the free trade as well, so you can have like a lot of free trading of UK US shares and all. And also you can have ISA, stocks and shares ISA with free trade as well, and likewise there are many other companies. So I'll leave all of those links, so you can simply sign up, even if you don't do much, just little bit of investment, whatever you want to start with. Just use those links, at least make some free money for yourself, and then also that will help you to learn how you can start doing those things. If you want me to go in detail and also explain a little bit more about them, please leave a comment or message under this video. I'll be happy to cover that in my next video. So I hope guys you like this video. Do share this video with others so that they can also learn. And if you like me to make similar video on any other topic or on anyone else, please write in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to make the next video based on whatever comment comes. So thank you for watching until this point. And if you're still watching, I'm really thankful for this. I'll see you next time. Until then, invest in education, invest like a pro.